This house is designed for a pilot couple who often work in confined spaces and rarely come into contact with fresh air. Located in a quiet alley in Vibhavati 60 with low pollution levels, the house is surrounded by trees and relatives, creating a comfortable atmosphere. With an area of 200 square meters, the house is divided into 3 zones: living room, bedroom, and lounge, each connected by a green courtyard. The architectural design maximizes interaction with nature, using folding glass doors for natural ventilation. The zones are not separated by walls, allowing residents to see and interact with each other throughout the house. Exterior: the exterior of this house emphasizes harmony with nature, located in a beautiful and low-pollution environment. The design makes wise use of the available area, combining lush greenery around the building. The green courtyards connect each zone of the house, creating a comfortable space to relax and interact. The structure of the building is designed with large glass walls, giving residents the opportunity to enjoy the green scenery outside while still being inside the house. Fully retractable glass doors allow fresh air to flow in, eliminating the boundaries between the interior and exterior. Interior: the interior of the house is designed with an open concept that allows interaction between residents, while still providing comfort and tranquility. 3 zones, living room, bedroom, and lounge, are connected by a green courtyard that serves as a natural transition path. When one resident brews coffee in the living room, he or she can see the other owner admiring the collection in the bedroom, while their parents exercise in the pool. Without the barrier of walls, the natural aromas and sounds of the environment can be enjoyed, creating a dynamic and interconnected living atmosphere. The use of natural materials and soft colors in the decoration adds a warm and inviting feel, making this home an ideal gathering place for families.